This is a detailed up-close look at the new Flex FX4221 trim router. It has a 1.5 horsepower brushless motor, sensor-free brushless motor. And what that does is it eliminates friction and optimizes higher efficiency under the toughest applications. So we're going to go over this entire router very up close so that you can see exactly what it looks like and the features that it has. It's available now at Lowe's for $199. The first feature I'd like to show you is called Spindle Stop, and this is a patent pending system that locks the shaft, makes the bit changes way easier. Let me show you how it works. Unlock it, press the tabs, base comes off. It just so happens I have a router bit right here handy. Notice how that button works. Unlocked, locked. Now the shaft is locked. Now the shaft is unlocked. Free spinning. We'll go ahead and lock it. Tighten it with our spindle wrench and unlock it. That quick and easy. Really like this router so far. I've got some use on it. It will cut door and window openings if you're using 7/16 OSB or 1/2-inch plywood. No problem. It will absolutely hog out those openings for you. I do have a nice white side bit here. So we'll go over a few more features. It does come with a very interesting edge guide, which I think should come with every router, a dust port, which is fantastic if you're working in a shop, and an auxiliary base plate, a little bit larger, which I like. We'll go ahead and take this back off. We'll show you how this works again up close and personal. Unlocked. Now we just hit these two tabs with our fingers, and that comes right off. Pretty simple. Go ahead and put it back on. Locks into place, and it's very accurate on the micro adjusting. So you just turn to micro adjust up and down. See how that works? Very simple, very nice. We'll lock it back down. I especially appreciate the power button. I love where the power button is. This is how I hold a trim router, and my thumb is naturally sitting right on top of that power button. Now, I will tell you some specifications of this tool. Let's start with the weight. With the fixed base, no battery, 3.5 pounds. Tool height, 7.4 inches, tool length, 4.8 inches, and tool width, 4 inches. Let's put a battery on it. This is a 5.0 battery, so you can kind of get a view of what it looks like. And we'll go ahead and start it up. It does have a soft start and a built-in electric brake, so pay attention to that as you listen to the motor. Here comes that soft start. And the electric brake. Very nice. We'll take the 5.0 off, and I've got a 2.5 amp battery on there, which is what I will primarily be running. It just, I don't know, the compactness of it I like a little bit nicer. Go ahead and start it up again for you. Let's focus on that bit. Soft start, electric brake. I will tell you that I am very used to the Bosch Colt trim router. If you're familiar with that router, it's a phenomenal router, but it does have a cord on it, which is why the Flex might be a nice option for you if you're a guy like me who remodels. This is quite a bit quieter as well than the Bosch Colt, which is really nice. So it does have the overload protection, so it's supposed to have that protection built into the tool to protect the tool just in case the battery is low or something of that nature. Now, as far as speeds go, it does have 6 selectable speeds, and they feel good. Nice positive lock on the speeds, 5, 5.5, 6. And as far as the actual speed is, 16,000 to 31,000 RPMs at speed 6, which is nice. We'll go ahead and take the battery back off. And I will show you how the edge guide works, which is quite unique, quite interesting. You've got a slot in the back of the edge guide. You see that slot? Very interesting the way it works. This just clips into it like so, and then you pull this kind of a cam lever, if you will, over, and it locks it into place. Now it is on there, and it is very secure, very tight. And then, of course, you have adjustability with your fence, which is nice. Very well thought out design on that. I like that a lot. Overall, so far, just a little bit that we've used this router, we really like it. I like the noise level. I like how much quieter it is than the Bosch, and I love that power button. I just love the location, and it's big, hefty. I'll go ahead and put a battery back in it. Wanted to show you the lights. It does have 2 LED lights on it, which is nice. Lights up the workspace. It's a great feeling router overall. I love the micro adjusting. And here's one of the kickers. If you purchase this router before the end of the year, you get a free lifetime warranty if you register the tool. It's the Flex Founders warranty. They've been doing it for a couple years now. So if you ever have a problem with the tool, as long as you register it, they will take care of it, which is nice. The nice tool from Flex. I'm so glad that they're expanding the lineup, helping us out. Just one more quick once over of the tool. Nice rubber over molded grip. Just an up close view of the tool. Let's use that micro adjust one more time so you can see what that looks like. Very accurate. It's got a little bit of back pressure or tension, if you want to call it that. Helps you dial it in nice and accurately. Lock feels good, firm. Fits in the hand nicely. Yeah, $199 at Lowe's. If you're interested, I will put a link in the description below. I appreciate you tuning in to this up-close, detailed view or detailed look at the new Flex brushless 1.5 horsepower trim router. Like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.